Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're about to take a deep dive into the world of failure codes. We'll explore their power when combined with a CMMS, also known as a computerized maintenance management system, and how this duo can revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams. We'll also get a clear understanding of how failure codes can enhance downtime tracking, aid root cause analysis, and make your organization more proactive. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to unlock these benefits for your team. So, why should you care about failure codes? Well, we've identified 3 key benefits that can revolutionize the way your maintenance and operations teams work. Firstly, failure codes can significantly enhance your ability to track downtime and its causes. They add an extra layer of data to your CMMS, helping you understand why your assets are failing. By digging into the specifics of your equipment, why it failed, where it failed, and when it failed, you can track downtime in a whole new way. Imagine this. Your maintenance team implements a failure code system and discovers that your equipment is consistently failing due to lack of lubrication. Now, you've pinpointed the issue and can train your technicians to properly lubricate machinery during routine work. Without failure codes, you'd be in the dark about why your equipment is failing and miss out on these valuable insights. The second benefit of using failure codes is that they aid in root cause analysis. This is a method used by facility managers to determine why problems occur. One popular method of root cause analysis is the 5 whys. Let's say a technician recognizes that robot 1 is broken but does not know the root cause. Using the 5 whys, we would ask why, and proceed to ask the same question to the next 5 answers. 1. Robot 1 has failed. Why? 2. The motor stopped working. Why? 3. There was no electricity going to it. Why? 4. The electrical wiring wasn't installed correctly. Why? 5. Our employees weren't electrically trained. Why? And finally, we identified the root cause. Our facility currently lacks an electrical training program. By using the failure code, we identified the surface problem. Robot 1 failed. By using the 5 whys alongside the failure code, we figured out the root cause of the problem. Technicians don't have electrical training. The facility can now figure out a solution and prevent future errors. Finally, the third benefit of using failure codes is that they can make your organization more proactive. By properly using failure codes, your maintenance activity can become more productive. Failure codes allow you to build out the history of your assets, creating a knowledge base of sorts. When failure codes are first implemented, each asset is a blank slate. But as they are used, failure codes become linked to solutions and past work, shedding light on past issues. This is crucial for a few reasons. 1. Failure codes educate and train new technicians. 2. They allow future solutions to be implemented more quickly by looking back into the history of work orders and viewing previous solutions. 3. They create proactive technicians who can anticipate the action they need to take when they see certain failure codes. Without failure codes, each equipment failure is a mystery, but with them, you can describe and categorize equipment errors so that they can be quickly fixed. So, there you have it. 3 compelling reasons to start using failure codes in your facility. They can help you track downtime, conduct root cause analysis, and become more proactive in your maintenance activities. Start leveraging the power of failure codes today and see the difference it can make in your organization. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of failure codes, how they can enhance downtime tracking, aid in root cause analysis, and make your organization more proactive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams.